My name is Shushmita Dev. I am a bar at law by profession. I have practiced in the courts of Delhi since the year 2000. My introduction into politics came in 2009 as an elected ward commissioner. Thereafter, my party gave me the opportunity to become the chairperson of the Silchar Municipal Board. In 2011, my party gave me a nomination as an MLA. I won from Silchar constituency. 90% of the young people in this valley are dependent on government jobs. There are no jobs in the private sector. So if to create jobs, you have to create industries. To create income, you have to promote small businesses. So one part is to motivate them. Nobody has made that effort to guide them, motivate them. They don't know what is coming from the Government of India. Government of India's vision is very clear, but in implementation there is a gap in Kachar. I have to emphasize on that. Education quantitatively and qualitatively has to be improved, and to improve on that, the government school standards have to come up to private school standards, and the only way to do it is to make a concerted effort that the policy decision of the government is implemented. The larger picture is that Northeast is not well connected to the rest of India. So I think any member of parliament who is elected and is sent to Delhi must look towards connecting the whole of Northeast to the rest of India. See, electricity, there are various issues. First of all, Assam is a power deficit state. However, we have signed a MOU with the Polotona power plant, which is due to be commissioned. Unofficially it's already commissioned. I think Prime Minister is gone, but there are some teething problems of gas supply, etc. from ONGC. I believe that once the Polotona plant is fully commissioned and worked, Borak Valley will have surplus power, but with that surplus power we have to take it towards industry. For me, women's empowerment is not about feminism. For me, women's empowerment is about giving them equal opportunities. It is no point giving Shushmita opportunity again and again. But a disempowered woman who can't get out of her house, who is facing humiliation or complete disempowerment at the village level, we have to bring them forward. How do we bring them forward? Politically, we have tried by reservation in Panchayati Raj, reservation in Municipality Act, but social empowerment is extremely important, and to bring them socially forward, we have to educate them aggressively. And lastly, we have to make sure that they are financially empowered. All these things we have to emphasize through various schemes and policies of the government. See, unfortunately, we politicians don't have a direct control over implementation of work. Today, I can get 20 crores or 200 crores from my constituency. I can monitor it. But at the end of the day, I cannot go with a excavator and I cannot control the labor on site. So I don't think there should be a timeline of 1 year or 4 years. Whatever are the key needs of this valley, I have to do. Whichever I can do in 6 months also I have to do. And whatever I can do in 2 years also I can do. But yes, my priority will be connectivity.